Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar cap post lights that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Dynaming 6-pack Solar Post Cap Lights. These lights are a budget-friendly option for outdoor decorative lighting and pack a lot of value with their modern design and warm white light output. Each cap is equipped with 8 SMD LEDs that provide a soft 15-lumen glow, making them ideal for decorative purposes in your garden, deck, or patio. The design is simple, yet functional, featuring a plastic body with a 360-degree illumination angle. These lights are compatible with several standard post sizes, ranging from 3.5 by 3.5 inches to 5.5 by 5.5 inches, making installation straightforward with the included mounting kit. While the IP44 waterproof rating ensures they can handle light rain and snow, they may not be the best choice for extreme weather conditions. Performance-wise, these lights charge fully in 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight and can last through the night, thanks to the included 1,000 mAh rechargeable batteries. Overall, the Dynaming lights are great for those on a tight budget looking for reliable yet basic solar lighting. However, with their lower brightness and plastic construction, they're not the most durable or eye-catching option. Still, for $39.99, they're hard to beat for decorative use. Pros: affordable, easy to install, and decent runtime. Cons: lower brightness and IP44 waterproofing may limit longevity in harsher climates. At number 4, we have the Ensley Solar Post Cap Lights Outdoor 6-pack. These lights stand out for their dual color mode feature, allowing you to switch between cool white and warm white light. This flexibility makes them great for various outdoor settings, from cozy patios to modern gardens. Each light is equipped with 8 high-lumen LEDs and a high-efficiency solar panel, providing up to 12 hours of illumination after a full charge of 4 to 8 hours. The build quality is solid, with a tough ABS body and an IP65 waterproof rating that ensures durability in rainy, snowy, or frosty weather. Installation is simple, with compatibility for multiple post sizes from 3.5 by 3.5 to 5 by 5 inches. These lights are also energy efficient, automatically turning on at dusk and off at dawn, adding convenience to their list of features. However, while their brightness is better than some competitors, they may not be sufficient for larger areas requiring intense lighting. For $39.89, the Ensley lights offer great value with their versatility and weather resistance. They're perfect for homeowners who want customizable lighting without breaking the bank. Pros: dual color modes, long runtime, and IP65 waterproofing. Cons: moderate brightness and slightly bulkier design. Coming in at number 3 is the Volasun 4x4 Solar Post Cap Light 12-pack, a fantastic option for those looking to illuminate multiple posts with a clean and modern design. These compact lights are specifically designed for 4x4 wooden or vinyl posts, making them perfect for fences, decks, and even mailboxes. Each light features 8 LEDs that emit a warm white glow at 26 lumens, which is brighter than most competitors in this price range. The IP64 waterproof rating ensures these lights can withstand moderate rain and snow, while the durable ABS construction adds to their longevity. Installation is straightforward with the included bases and screws, and the lights are fully solar-powered, charging in 6 to 8 hours and lasting up to 12 hours. However, it's worth noting that these lights are smaller in size, which might not suit those looking for a more prominent design. Priced at $59.99 for a 12-pack, the Volasun lights offer excellent value for larger installations. They're ideal for homeowners seeking a subtle yet effective lighting solution for outdoor spaces. Pros: bright illumination, great for bulk installations, and durable design. Cons: smaller size and limited to warm white lighting. At number 2, we have the Fiacourt Solar Post Cap Lights 12-pack, a standout option for anyone who values versatility and style. These lights offer 2 light modes, warm white and cool white, allowing you to customize the ambiance of your outdoor space. With 16 LEDs per light and a 20-lumen output, they strike a great balance between brightness and energy efficiency, perfect for patios, gardens, and decks. The build quality is impressive, featuring a weather-resistant ABS body with an IP64 waterproof rating. These lights are designed to withstand various weather conditions, making them reliable year-round. Installation is made easy with multiple base options that fit standard 4x4, 5x5, and 6x6 posts. The integrated solar panel charges in 6 to 8 hours, offering up to 12 hours of illumination. However, while the IP64 rating is suitable for most conditions, extreme weather might still pose a challenge. Priced at $56.99, the Fiacourt lights are an excellent choice for those seeking a premium look without the premium price. Pros: dual light modes, high brightness, and durable construction. Cons: slightly heavier design and limited to IP64 waterproofing. Finally, at number 1, we have the Calimo Solar Post Cap Lights, the premium pick of this list. These lights are designed for those who want the best in terms of performance, durability, and design. With 2 lighting modes, warm white and cool white, they offer exceptional versatility for any outdoor setting. Each light is equipped with 12 LEDs that deliver bright, consistent illumination for up to 12 hours after a full charge. The Calimo lights feature an upgraded one-piece design that eliminates gaps, boosting water and wind resistance. With an IP65 waterproof rating, these lights can handle harsh weather with ease. Installation is straightforward, and they're compatible with various post sizes, including 3.5 by 3.5, 4 by 4, and 5 by 5 inches. Additionally, the solar panels are 30% more efficient, ensuring reliable performance even on cloudy days, at $79.99. The Calimo lights are the most expensive option on this list, but offer unmatched quality and reliability. They're perfect for those who want a premium product that looks great and performs even better. Pros: high brightness, durable one-piece design, and excellent weather resistance. Cons: higher price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.